Welcome to the exciting path of entrepreneurship, where dreams morph into successful businesses. At the outset of this venture, one essential step awaits our attention: obtaining a business license. Far from just a formality, this license is the cornerstone that legitimizes your venture, turning your vision into a recognized entity. The journey can appear overwhelming with its share of forms and regulations. Yet our mission is to demystify this process, presenting a straightforward guide from understanding the importance of this license to the practical steps for acquiring it. Let's navigate this process together, paving the way to your business success. Identifying the correct business license is akin to choosing the right key for a lock, crucial for accessing our entrepreneurial goals. Visualize the spectrum of business licenses as a map, with each route leading to distinct destinations tailored to your business model. Preparation, therefore, becomes paramount. Like packing for an expedition, ensuring all necessary documentation is in place simplifies what might otherwise be an overwhelming endeavor. This stage is about piecing together your business identity for the licensing authorities through financial records, proof of identity, and more. As we carefully navigate through the application form, view each query as an opportunity to showcase the uniqueness of your venture, avoiding the pitfalls of haste and incomplete information. Awareness of common errors serves as our beacon, preventing oversight that could delay our journey. This phase is not merely procedural but a strategic step confirming every detail is addressed with precision. With our documents prepared and awareness sharp, we stand ready to progress, laying the groundwork for the exciting phase ahead, the anticipation of approval and the meticulous planning that will spearhead a successful business launch. The path is now clear, inviting us to move forward with confidence. Having submitted your application, complete with every detail meticulously checked, we stand at the brink of a new chapter in our entrepreneurial saga. This interval after submission, what's next, illuminates the path through the anticipation that follows. Patience becomes our companion as we await approval, a period well spent refining business strategies and exploring avenues for our venture's home base. Upon approval, we shift from planning to execution, breathing life into ideas with readiness to meet all regulatory demands. The final piece of wisdom? Stay informed and flexible. Venturing into the business realm, the acquisition of your license marks the inception of a journey. With thorough preparation, this milestone can catapult your venture towards sustained success, turning your aspirations into tangible achievements.